Now our modify appointment form is pretty much the same as our new appointment form. You can see that they really are almost identical. So some of the code can be reused. So I'll double click the modify appointments form, but I'll go to my code for the new appointments form because I'm going to copy a few things. So the first thing we need are all these objects. We will need the appointment, repair types, and customer. So I'll just paste it right here into the form level in my modify appointment form. Now notice that it already is an appointment ID which we added previously when we are trying to pass the ID of the appointment into this form. And we need that here because this is obviously modifying an appointment which is modifying an existing appointment that already has an ID. Next thing, I'll go and click the cancel, and this one will simply close the form, so nothing special there. And I'll go back to the form and double click the save button, and this will save the modified appointment. And this is gonna be very similar to what we did in the new appointment form. So I'll go here in the new appointment and copy everything from inside the button click event for the save button. And I'll paste it right here in my save button click event for the modify form. So again, we need the scheduled time, so we will combine the date with the time and throw an exception if something goes wrong. Then we grab the type ID, the customer ID, and the licensed, and then we will perform the update. So we performed the insert before, and I'll just change this to update. Now you can see that it's underlined, and that's because it doesn't have the same amount of parameters, because there's one more parameter we need to pass here, and that's the appointment ID that we didn't have when we were creating the appointment. So the first argument is going to be the property appointment ID. So now we perform the update, and then we will close the form if everything is okay. Otherwise, we will display a status that we cannot update the appointment. And that's it for the save button. And all that is left is to code the load event for the modify appointment form.